Hey you guys, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I am super excited about this week. There are some really good deals going on this week. We have the beauty event at Walgreens this week. My birthday is tomorrow. Mother's Day is Sunday. It's just a lot of good things coming up in the near future, and I'm super excited about that. So I am starting this week off with my Walgreens haul. I did really good in this haul. I got everything that you see for just a little over $12. Yes, I went laundry crazy. I lucked up on a deal that was not part of the plan. This week is just starting off really good. So before I get into the deals, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because we are on the way to 1K, and I'm just excited about that, because once we reach 1K, I will be giving a giveaway, just a way to give back to my subscribers for just supporting me, because I love you guys. You guys really rock with me, and I rock with you guys, and there's just nothing but love and positive vibes between us. So, that's really all I have to say in this intro. I'm just gonna get right into the deals, so just stay tuned for that. Oh yeah, and so I did use, this is between my account and my husband's account, because he received all of those 3 off 15, 3 off 12, this, that, and all that. I didn't receive not one. And I still wanted to take advantage of those savings. So I do have 3 transactions from his account. And then the very last transaction is from my account. So for the first transaction, I picked up this Revlon Color Stay lipstick. It is priced at $12.29 at my store. So Revlon is on promotion where you spend $10 and you get an $8 register reward, which is amazing savings just alone. But the reason why I picked up the $12 item is because I wanted to use that 5 off 12 coupon, and I wanted to use that first because I just wanted to get it out of the way. So it was $12.29. That $5 off of 12 brought it down to $7.29, and I did get back that $8 register reward, making it completely free, which was pretty good. No complaints there. I mean, I just started off the first transaction with a free item. So then for my next transaction, I picked up this chocolate. I needed some chocolate to go in my gift baskets for Mother's Day, because Mother's Day is literally like tomorrow. So I picked up 2 of the Mercy chocolate for 2 for $8, and there is an ibotta rebate for $2 back for each one with a limit of 5. So I did pick up 2, so I got back $4 for the Mercy chocolate. And then also for the Toffee, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's also 2 for $8, and then there's a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta for this candy as well, with a limit of 5. So I got back $3 for this chocolate. So for this whole transaction, it came out to $16. I did use that 5 off of 15 coupon, bringing it down to $11, and then I got back $7 from Ibotta for all 4 candies, making this transaction $4 or $1 each. So for transaction 3, I combined that 5 off of 20 coupon with the spend 20 get 5,000 points booster. So since I'm still new at Walgreens, I'm not sure if I needed to get my total to $25. That way, once the $5 come off, I'm still above the $20, so that I will get the 5,000 points. I wasn't sure, but I just went over just in case. That way there were no issues. So if you know, please drop it down in the comment section below and just clarify that, whether or not I needed to get to $25 or if the $20 sufficed. But anyways, so what I did was I picked up one of the Dial body wash. They're on sale this week for $3.49. There's a $1 off digital in the app, making it just $2.49. I picked up 2 of the Arm & Hammers, the pods and the liquid. They are on sale this week for $2.99, and there is a digital on the pods and a digital on the liquid, making them just $1.99 each. Then I picked up 2 PERSILs. They only had the disc, so I picked up 2 of the discs. I had they're on sale this week for $4.99. I had a $2 off digital on the PERSIL, and I used a $2 paper coupon on the PERSIL as well that we got from this Sunday's inserts, making them $2.99 each. And then I also picked up 2 of the Purex the pods, because there was a sign saying buy one get one free on the Purex items. I did realize this was not in the ad. This was not advertised anywhere, but the sign was up, so I was curious. I picked up 2. I asked the cashier about this promotion because I was unaware of it. She told me that it wasn't ringing up in the system like that, but if I could go back there and just pull the tag off and show her the tag, that she would honor it because it is up. So that's exactly what I did. They were $5.99 each. My total before coupons was $31.43. After coupons and that promotion on the Purex, it brought my total down to $18.44. I used that 5 off of 20 coupon, bringing it down to just $13.44. I received a total of 10,000 points, 5 for that spend 20 get 5,000 point booster, as well as 5,000 points for this account had the coupon where if you make 2 trips $10 or more, you get an additional 5,000 points. Now I know everybody's account may be different, because on my account mine says 6 transactions, but this one was 2, which is really good because it's really low. So that's a total of 10,000 points, making this transaction just $3.44 for all 7 items, or about 49 cents each. So if you guys have that sign, if your stores have that sign up as well, I would see if your cashiers will honor it as well, because the worst thing they can say is no. Then last but not least, this is transaction 4, and I did do this one on my account. So the nice trash bags, and I think the Ziploc bags as well, I don't know, but I know the nice trash bags are on sale, buy one get 2 free, and they are $2.79. So you can pick up 3 of them for just $2.79. Now I always do this deal. I always stock up on these trash bags and Ziploc bags. So once again, I want to make sure I did that this time. The Colgate toothpaste is on sale this week for $2.99. And when you buy 2, you get back 4,000 points. So I picked up 2 at $2.99, making it $5.98. I used 2 $1 off Colgate coupons, dropping it down to just $3.98, and I did get back 4,000 points, making those completely free. So a quick freebie if you need toothpaste, there you go. The Arm & Hammer, again, $2.99, and I used 2 $1 off coupons. Of course, the pods and the liquid, because they're both digitals, making them $1.99 each. The PERSIL, I picked up 1 liquid and 1 a disc. They're at $4.99. Used the 2 $2 off coupons, making it $5.98 or $2.99 each. So before coupons, my total was $24.73. I did have a spend 20 get 5,000 point booster on my account as well. So after coupons, it dropped it down to $16.73. So I did get back the 5,000 points for the booster. I got back 4,000 points for the Colgate, and I got back a total of 2,400 points for my birthday. So I did get a digital that popped up, I think May 1st, saying that throughout this whole month, they're going to give me back 10 times the points. So I was super excited about that, because all month, that means more savings. So that was a total of 11,400 points, making this total just $5.33 for all 9 items, or about 59 cents each. So if you didn't know, Walgreens, they do something for your birthday. They give you 10 times the points for the whole month. At first, I thought it was just going to be like a one-time thing, but no. When they sent me out an email about it as well, they clarified that up. They cleared that up and said that it's for the whole month. So yes, if you have a birthday coming up, remember, you get back 10 times the points, you guys. That is really good. That's amazing. So the beauty event is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be nice, and I'm just happy for it. So yeah, you guys, this is my complete haul. Now the total was $48.46, but I did get back $7 on ibotta, an $8 register rewards, and 21,400 points, making this haul just $12.06 for all 21 items. Yes, you guys, it's just a good day. I mean, it's a good day. Like I said, I went laundry crazy. I got some more items to go in my gift baskets. And if you're not already signed up with ibotta, I will be leaving my referral link in the comment section as well as description box below. That way you can sign up and just save even more money on the items that you love or need or anything like that. It's always good to just save more money. That's what this channel is about. So yeah, if you're not already signed up with ibotta, the link will be down below. Yes, I got some more body wash. I'm just more happy about the PERSIL and I want to say the Purex, because like I said, I was not expecting that whatsoever. So I was super excited about that. But as always, you guys, thank you guys so much for just tuning in to another video. Thank you so much for the love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because we are on the way to 1K. And you don't want to miss out on that giveaway, you guys. Also, I want to know what's your favorite deal of the week. Whether it was something that I mentioned or if it was something else. Drop it down in the comment section below. I want everybody to just read them, and because maybe they didn't know about a deal and they wanted to do that deal as well. So we're all family. Drop it down in the comment section below and let us know what are you doing, or what did you do this week at Walgreens. And I also want to know, drop it down below if you plan on trying that Purex, to see if your cashier will honor the buy one get one free. So yeah, I love you guys. Sending nothing but love and positive vibes from me to you. I hope you guys are still staying safe and just enjoying this time with your families. I love you guys. Until the next video, bye.